Hi everyone, Dante here, and sa video na to, pag-uusapan naman natin ang Copilot in Microsoft 365. Yes, tama ang narinig ninyo. Meron ng Copilot sa loob ng Microsoft 365. Technically, magkakaroon ng Copilot sa Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and even sa Outlook. Kaya samahan nyo ako sa video na to at sabay-sabay nating alamin kung anong capabilities or mga kaya mong gawin with Copilot in Microsoft 365. So, how to use Copilot for quick writing? Simple lang, mag-open ka ng Word document and immediately makikita mo ang Copilot sa screen. Either nasa top right corner or nasa mismong screen na kagad. Pwede kang mag-type ng prompt, kagaya ng create an article about AI technology in 300 words. And boom! Ganun lang kadali. Copilot prepares a draft for you. Just do some quick edit and checking, and your document is now done. So what if gusto ko naman gumawa ng resume? I-click mo lang yung Copilot app for prompting, then type in create a resume, depende sa iyong sales position at kung saan mo gusto mag-apply. Just click next, and Copilot will draft a resume for you. From there, pwede mo nang i-edit, i-revise, at i-check ang iyong resume. Kung hindi ka pa satisfied, pwede ka rin mag-add ng additional details para mas lalong gumanda ang iyong resume. At kapag okay ka na, just click, keep it. Sa tulong ng Copilot, writing becomes faster. Yung resume mo, mas organized and mas prepared na para sa iyong job applications. Subukan mo na. Dali. Sobrang dali lang with Copilot in Word, di ba? Your writing is more faster, mas organized na ang resume mo, and prepared ka na for your upcoming job application. Nag-struggle ka rin ba sa Excel? Paano hanapin ng formula? Paano mag-attach ng graph? Or paano mag-analyze ng data? Don't worry kasi meron na rin Copilot in Excel. Before you use Copilot in Excel, make sure na naka-upload na ito sa OneDrive. To use Copilot, just simply highlight the data and click Copilot dun sa top right corner ng screen. Ngayon, mag-prompting na tayo. For example, let's ask Copilot to organize the Q2 sales data from highest to lowest and apply a traffic light system to Q1 and Q2 sales. Copilot will generate depending on your prompt, and before niya i-apply ito, ipapakita niyo muna yung request kung tama ba. So kung okay ka na sa yung prompt, just click apply and wait for the data to refresh. So, easy na with Copilot in Excel. For sure, hindi ka na mahihirapan. Kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop down your comment. Kagaya rin ba kita na nahihirapan sa pag-create ng presentation? Or hindi marunong gumamit ng PowerPoint? Or hindi alam kung saan mag-uumpisa? Or nauubos yung oras kakaisip kung paano gumawa ng content using PowerPoint? Don't worry kasi meron ng Copilot in PowerPoint. Tara, samahan niyo ako. So Copilot in PowerPoint is like a personal designer or your personal writer for your presentation. Just give some brief description on what your topic is, and Copilot immediately prepares a neat, informative, and attractive draft slides for you. So paano natin siya gagawin? Just simply open a Microsoft PowerPoint, then click Copilot icon at the top. You have an option to create a presentation from scratch, or pwede ka rin mag-attach ng presentations from a file. So to create a presentation, you will need to create a prompt. Kagaya nito. Create a presentation about tips for a successful hybrid meetings with team building examples. Kung gusto mong mas personalized at mas mabilis, pwede ka rin mag-attach ng documents as a reference for the PowerPoint. Just simply upload a file. As you can see, Copilot will provide a list of topics for your presentation. If something is not right, pwede mo siyang i-edit. Pwede ka rin mag-add ng new topic. Click mo lang yung plus button sa baba. Kung okay ka na sa topic mo, just click Generate Slides and boom! Your presentation is ready. Sobrang dali lang, di ba? Madali ba? With Copilot in PowerPoint, mas madali na mag-create ng presentation in a blast. Ngayong available na ang Copilot in Microsoft 365, mas madali na tayo makagawa ng mga PowerPoint presentations, mag-analyze ng data using Excel, or mag-create ng resume using Word. I-try mo na ngayon and let us know kung anong feature ang gusto mo. Don't forget to like and subscribe kung nagustuhan mo itong video na to.